Welcome everyone here to Michigan as we're getting set to go green here for 20 laps. We got Joseph Curtis on the pole. Again, he had a bad race last week at Bristol, as well as DJ Curtis. Both of them starting in the top 5. So, great job by them to bounce back after Bristol. Dylan Thoreau is starting on the front row alongside Joseph Curtis. DJ Curtis, Brandon Nichols, and Ryder Barnes is your top 5 starting today. Here's the rest of your field, as we're going to have a great race here today. And now we're going to take you trackside for the starting command.
Let's get ready to rumble!
And as the trucks are rolling off now, the pace truck pulls off. Getting set to go green here at Michigan. Green flag is out and we're underway here at Michigan. We already got 3 wide racing there in that 3rd row. That 75 didn't get a good start. As here we go down into turn 1. They're nose to tail. 3 wide for the lead as the 33 and the 17 go flying around the 14. The 33, your new leader. The 17's following close behind. Here comes the 19 truck now. Checks up after almost getting into the back of the 33. Now the 17 takes the lead. Side by side through the tri-oval. As the 17's your leader. He leads the first lap. That 33 just pretty much dive bombed the 17. 3 wide back there in that 2nd row. As the 33 now has the lead. There goes the 17. Side by side now to the line. And the 17 leads the 2nd lap as well. Still side by side down into turn 1. 33 actually checks up to get behind him. He's now right on his back bumper. Good racing all the way back to the back. As the 17 is now taking a great lead. Look at that 4-way battle for 2 separate positions. It's like that outside lane's not working well for many people back there. 38 trying to make it 2 in a row this week. He's moving through the pack pretty well. Oh, look at him go right up into the back bumper of the 19. Now he's going to try and take third place from him. Goes to the inside, and he's got help from the 23. Somebody's in the wall. Looked like it was the 9. Here comes the 99. Ooh, that was really close. He got up into the 9. Just about took him out. 38 and the 23 now going for 4th. Not giving it up. Because now we got a three-way battle for the lead. As the 19 has actually gotten past the 17. And then he's losing position still. Look at the 19 trying to get up past the 90, or excuse me, the 33. He got right up on his back bumper there going down to the 3. We got a battle for the lead now. 33 just got passed by the 19 really quickly. Now the 33 is trying to get back around the 19. This is a 33, now your new leader. Right on that bumper as we have a crash. Not sure who was involved. Looks like the 75's pretty beat up. Oh. Man, that 9 truck really got hit. It was just a big stack up, I guess. Oh, 17. Led a bunch of laps. Got turned around there. Saved it, but just had a huge crash behind them. A lot of different drivers involved. Let's see what happened here. Looked like the 7 hit the 9. Man, look at that. Got it. But, yeah. So I do believe the 19 is your leader. Oh, we got pit stops. 33 going to be first one, I believe. Alright, so we're waiting on the green flag. Going down to turn 3. Coming out of turn 4 now. Pace truck is off. I'm not sure if you can hear me. But, green flag back out in the air, and we're underway here again at Michigan. Almost said Martin. That would have been idiotic. Look at that, the 18 immediately makes the pass on the 38. He's right up against that 33, trying to do that slingshot move. It doesn't look like it's going to work, but down into turn 3, he's actually dive bombing 33, but he does not make it. He actually got him out of the way there into turn 4, and he's opened it up for both him and the 38. And there they both go around him for the lead and second place. And he drops all the way down to 3rd. As now the 38 ball dive bombs underneath the 18, trying to make it 2 in a row, boost himself up into the points. As now the 18's trying to get back around. Look at him go straight underneath that 38 truck. God damn it. I don't know anymore. As now he's taking the lead, making that charge down into turn 2. Looks like a good battle back there for 3rd. 3-wide battle. Now, side by side, the 33 and the 23. Still battling for that 3rd position. Side by side, yeah. Man, look at that. All on each other's bumpers. Every single one of them may have made but that 38 really dropping back now. Or either that or he's getting caught up on by this big group of cars. I mean, trucks! Dang it. Trucks. I don't know. I'm just used to saying it. Sorry. There goes the 23 now trying to make a move for 2nd. As now he's helping him get up to the 18. As now the 18 has gotten 38. 38's now going underneath him into the tri-oval with the help of the 23. Their draft overpowers his single car truck. Still side by side in the turn 1. 23 now trying to make that pass. And here comes the 19 into the picture for this, trying to get his first win of the season, I believe. And that 23 just checking up right in front of him. Still some good racing there. 23 goes underneath him for the lead. The 18 now working with him. And he's got that 19 on the other side of him, and he's going to get passed by both of them. Here comes the 28 now going underneath both the 18 and the 33, making it 3 wide. It's going to come down to the wire, let's just say this. White flag this time by the 23. Got a good lead now. Half a second on the 19 truck. But that group of trucks trying to get it back up to 23. Doesn't look like it's going to happen, but it still could. There's still plenty of time. There's half a lap to go. And the 23 gets his win. Roman Rehal takes the win here at Michigan. We had great racing all day, I'm not going to lie. That was actually a pretty good race. And Roman Rehal, like I said, has won this race. Daniel Voiles second, Tom Gerard, Henry Powers, Jordan Newman, Cameron Harple, Logan York, Dylan Thoreau, Ryder Barnes, and Cody Brennan are your top 10. 4 drivers did not finish. Jason Kasky, the only one to finish a lap down. So we're going to take you to your points and victory lane, as we had another great race here at Michigan. We'll see you next time at Indianapolis Motor Speedway, race number 5. So, like I said, we'll take you to victory lane and your points, and that's it. Goodbye, everybody.